we're returning to a previous project for this week, and we're going to add the beautiful open hyacinth with the bud hyacinth that we did. So we did the leaves, we did the bud, and now we're doing the beautiful open flower. Now I've skipped ahead. I've done a few of the little flowers ahead of time and a couple of the leaves ahead of time so that you don't have too much repetition to watch. But all the processes are in this tutorial, and all the colours, I'll write them down what you need, and we're going to use a bit of mixed media. We're going to use some lovely colour pencils. I'm using the Faber-Castell and of course our wonderful watercolour, and we're showing you, or I'm showing you rather, how I'm using the paper that's been sort of fighting with me and bringing it back under control. So I hope you give this one a go. I've certainly enjoyed it, and I think you will too.